Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to share with you guys my mom's gray hair. I just currently finished taking out her box braids that she had in for about 3 months, and I'm going to be washing her hair. I'm going to be conditioning it. She really needs a protein treatment, so I'm going to be doing that. As you can see, she has a lot of hair. Her hair is very soft. She has fine hair, but it is really growing nicely. And I've been doing her braids. I've been like really taking care of her hair, and it is coming along really well. As you can see, she also has like brownish hues in her hair, but I'm going to be using this pre-shampoo on her hair. This is with aloe and coconut water and stuff. I showed this in one of my previous videos, but I'm going to be putting that in her hair in sections. I'm going to put her hair in 4 sections, and I'm just going to work that through her hair. And then I'll wash her hair. I'm going to also give her a protein treatment, which I'm going to use this hair mayonnaise on her hair. This is really good. I actually use this on my hair. Her hair has been shedding a lot, so I know she definitely needs this protein treatment. Plus, she had the protective styling, like I said, for about 3 months. So she's due for her hair to be strengthened. So I'm going to use this shampoo, which is a strengthening shampoo, to help strengthen her hair. And I also use this on my hair whenever I need my hair to be strengthened as well. I'm going to leave it linked down below. All the products will be linked down below if you want to, check them out. You can get them from Amazon. So yeah. So like I said, I'm going to just be using that on her hair because I really want her hair to, get some more strength to it. I also wanted to mention to you guys that my mom is transitioning. So she used to get her hair relaxed. I don't know, I think the last time she relaxed her hair probably was maybe about a year ago. But as you can see, she has her relaxed ends, which is very fine and split. Like, it needs to really be cut. So I'll be probably trimming her hair once I wash it and blow dry and everything. She has a lot of new growth, but these straggly ends really have to go. And she really wants me to cut it off. But I don't know if I'm going to do it this wash day or if I'll try to do it next wash day. And then just let her start her natural hair journey the way she wants to. So yeah. And the relaxer, I think it was the relaxer that actually changed like the color of her hair, because her hair is like a 1B, which is like a off black, not really a jet black. And then I guess as her gray hair started to grow in and her constantly relaxing her hair, it began to like change the color of her gray hair. So that's why she has like a brownish hue to it. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna put her hair in 4 sections and then I'm gonna put it in. Right now I'm putting the pre-poo in her hair. So that's why her hair is like way down. This is how much shedding is going on when it comes to her hair. So I know she definitely needs the protein treatment. So that's why I'm doing a protein treatment on her hair. And when I had put her braids in before, she also had like a lot of shedding going on. So we're going to try to get that under control. And yeah. So to me, this looks like a lot. But like I said, she had the protective style in for 3 months. So I'm guessing this would suffice for maybe 3 months of you having your hair wrapped up in a protective style. So as you can see here in the back, I got the pre-poo in. Her hair is soft. It's looking really good, honestly. And it's growing nicely as well. So yeah, we're going to just try to take care of it and get it back on track. I'm going to try to just keep her up on her protein treatments and moisturizing conditioners and doing all the necessary things that needs to be done to get her hair to grow back. So thanks for watching.